All right, so this is a look at the Tefal Endurance collection. It's a 14-piece set, and it comes with 2 pots. We got a large pot, a smaller pot. Cool thing about the lid here is that it's got these serrated parts so that if you want to go like this, you can let a little bit of the steam out just so it's not, you know, bubbling and moving the lid too much. We got this small saucer pot as well, all stainless steel, of course. And you could also notice here that there's like this little lip at the bottom. And what's nice about this is that it has like a weighted bottom. So it has this really durable, heavy feel to it, which is their induction technology, which basically helps the heat spread evenly through the pan instead of just getting the heat where the flames hit the bottom of the pan or the pot. So we've got the 2 large ones here. We've got the saucer here. We've got a stainless steel large pan. You can see this thing is quite big. It also has this thermo technology also on the bottom here. All of these do. This one right here is the non-stick. So you can see this one looks a little bit different than the rest. Still stainless steel on the outside, but it does have like this non-stick material on the inside. And this one also, you can use the lid from that pot right there, and you know, these are adaptable to each other. It also is going to come with these spoons and spatulas, and this is the coolest thing that comes with it right here. So this is like a steamer, so you could put this into one of the pans and then just put water at the bottom. So let's do it in this large one right here. And the great thing about it is that it can adapt to different sizes. So we can put this in here, and you can see right there, it fans out. So maybe you're like steaming a bun or vegetables. You can just put that at the top there, put some water down at the bottom. And it also has this little hook, so it's really easy for you to take it out. Now, let's say we wanted to just do a small amount and we wanted to put it in this small pot right here. We would just go like that. And we could still fit our lid around it. We just got to push this in a little bit. And there we go. We can steam in a really small pot. That way we don't have to do it in the larger one. So this is a really nice high quality pot and pan set, all stainless steel. We've got the non-stick. We've got some utensils that come with it and this cool little steaming gadget. So if you're looking for a kitchen set, I would highly recommend this.